So finally, I bring 5 off-campus mass hiring which is coming from IBM. See, in this video, I will tell you 2 biggest direct test hiring, one Amazon biggest opportunity for freshers, and one more hiring is there for business analyst role. So please watch your video till end because understand the criteria is mandatory, and you have to understand where you get to see the answers because this is direct test hiring which is coming from IBM and one more company. So we understand how to get the answer and how to tackle this coding assessment और मे बी जो भी तुम्हारा पहला राउंड होगा. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, अदरवाइज यू विल कंफ्यूज्ड बिकॉज द क्राइटेरिया इज नॉट मेंशन्ड. सी सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल और जितना जल्दी हो सकता है भाई शेयर करो दूसरों के साथ बिकॉज अपॉर्चुनिटीज इज लिमिटेड एंड टाइम इज ऑल्सो लिमिटेड. सो प्लीज शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स और योर कलीग्स. First go and watch this video because for off-campus mass hiring I already told you which is biggest opportunity coming from Certify OS remote job. IBM Flex is doing biggest opportunity है यार, जाओ apply करो. See, first opportunity is coming from IBM which is doing junior software developer role hiring. Bangalore location is there. See, if you are a fresher you can apply for this hiring because 21 to 25 batch is eligible if you have completed or pursuing means if you completed because already 2025 is also now graduate because in May you get graduated. So please consider yourself as a graduate student because 2025 is already graduated, only 1 month is left. So if you are 21 to 25 batch pass out you can eligible and you can apply. So bachelor degree, if you complete your bachelor degree in computer science because this is a technical role software developer. So if you completed not any bachelor degree, only engineering degree with computer science, IT, software engineering, even electronic is also eligible. But if you have a knowledge of Node.js, React.js, Python, PostgreSQL or MySQL, any one of them like means SQL, NoSQL, जिसका भी knowledge है वो add करो. SDLC is mandatory. See, this is a direct test hiring because many students got assessment link without shortlisting. So we consider this as a direct test hiring, but the main thing is if you complete your coding assessment means there is 90% chance that in online assessment you will get to see the coding questions. See, if you complete that and your all test cases will run, so there is not 100% chances that you will get to see the interview because if in your resume there is not mentioned Node.js, React.js, Python, MongoDB, SQL, SDLC, you will not get a shortlist for an interview because see, round 1 is not a shortlisting round, but in an interview you will get to see the shortlisting based on resume and a required skill ये जो mandatory है वो लिखी होनी चाहिए, otherwise you will not get to see the shortlisting in round 2. API Connect, API, RESTful API, Docker, Kubernetes, these are very basic domain for software engineer, software developer role. So please add in your resume because अभी तो no shortlisting is there इन राउंड 1 बट एंड प्लीज रीड की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो ऐसा रीड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वन स्टैक का ही नॉलेज मांगा है बेसिकली देखा जाए तो प्लीज़ ऐड वन स्टैक टूल्स टेक्नोलॉजी in your resume and API is mandatory and Docker and Kubernetes is mandatory. See, Kubernetes and Docker both are containerization, so please add any one of them, but you can also take a referral, but this is direct test hiring, many students got the assessment. So once try it or take referral also, it doesn't matter, just complete your 1 round but update your resume before applying. Second biggest direct test hiring opportunity is coming from Stream Ltd. You can see here the company name. See, this is a direct test hiring, you already know about Test Gorilla. So the role is software engineer and this is a remote job, worldwide opportunity. $120 means तो ये तुम कन्वर्ट कर लेना. और वन मोर बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी, इफ यू नो मनस्टैक यू कैन अप्लाई इन IBM ऑल्सो एंड इफ यू नो मनस्टैक डेवलपमेंट you can apply in this hiring also because you can see here in skill section software engineer React Node is written there and in about मनस्टैक developer. तो समझो तुम कितना ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी है इसकी मनस्टैक की. एंड यू ऑल्सो add domain in your resume for IBM also from taking domain here also like GitHub, RESTful APIs and RPG you can also add, but in understanding of gaming concept यहाँ मांगा है but no need to add in your resume for IBM. थोड़ा बेसिक कर सकते हो बट यू कैन ऐड दिस डोमेन योर रेज्यूमे टू गेट शॉर्टलिस्ट एंड नो नीड टू रीड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्योंकि तुम मनस्टैक में कोडिंग करोगे, वेबसाइट बनाओगे. हाँ, बट थोड़ा सा गेमिंग फीचर ये जो मांगे ना अलग से वो देख लेना. बट API एंड बैकएंड इंटीग्रेशन, जेस्ट, JW token, these are basic thing in a मनस्टैक development. So please do one project using मनस्टैक for an interview preparation. But now just apply it and before applying update your resume to get shortlisted. No need to shortlist because this is a direct test hiring. Just do one thing, do ChatGPT, do anything else, search in Telegram for answers, but please give your 100% and please successfully complete your online assessment of both IBM and this company. So biggest opportunity is coming from Amazon, which is not asking you for coding round and coding assessment. Just you have to understand each and everything which I tell you. See, we are looking for transportation especially, which is a very basic type work you will do in this organization for this role, and your duration is 6 month duration, fixed term contract. Hyderabad location is there, work from office, on-site location. See, higher education, high school diploma, graduate, postgraduate, all are eligible. 0 to 5 year of experience is eligible. Voice support, background preferred, and English communication is a must and nothing else. See, you all know what is written here. Just a basic thing which is communication, ठीक है, और कुछ भी नहीं मांगा है. So you have to follow these steps like register using this link. You will redirect to this page. Just click on I'm not robot and click on next button. Then please fill this form ASAP. You all know how to fill this form, but please understand, provide the necessary personal information as per your government ID. जो नाम government में वही as it is होना चाहिए. Complete the online assessment. Maybe this is also a direct test hiring, because complete the online assessment there is not written any shortlisting. Maybe you will get to see the assessment link in your email after applying. Just wait 1-2 hours or maybe in 2-3 minutes you will get to see the assessment link, and then begin your journey with Amazon. But for detailed JD, just click on this link, because we have to understand each and everything. What work will you do in this organization? See, this link is the same. Just click on apply now. You will redirect to this page only. Then just scroll down and see Excel is written here. Just add Excel in your resume and come here, communicate with external customer, which is very basic work. Just you need to be a good communicator and your skill is fluent, so you can apply for this hiring. Just add Word, Excel, MS, Outlook in your resume and nothing else. Just add interpersonal skills also and leave it. Just go and hit the apply button and apply as soon as possible, because we'll get to see that this hiring will disappear after 2-3 hours. So biggest opportunity, and I can say that this is also a mass hiring, because American Express is doing business analyst role, data analytics, and this is a remote plus on-site location hybrid. Just scroll down and see bachelor degree required and master degree is preferred, but mandatory is a bachelor degree in statistics, computer science, IT, software engineering. All IT student engineers are eligible. Just check a strong programming language, any programming language, and using statistical analysis, data manipulation software is also mandatory. So please add in your resume. Then you can read benefit from here also. Just scroll up and add these domain in your resume, like as it is उठा के mention कर दो with bullet points and nothing else. Click on apply now, but you can take referral because job ID is written here. Gurugram, Haryana location is there. Go to LinkedIn and search American Express page, and please connect with the employees of this company and ask for referral. Give your ID, means this job ID. You can also give a job link also, like यहाँ से तुम कॉपी करके दे दो और अपना थोड़ा बहुत डिस्क्रिप्शन और अपना रेज्यूमे दे दो. बट मेन चीज़ ये है कि फर्स्ट उनको रेफरल के लिखो कि प्लीज़ आई वांट रेफरल इन दिस कंपनी, सो प्लीज़ कैन यू प्लीज़ गिव मी, आई वांट रेफरल, कैन यू प्लीज़ गिव मी रेफरल, इतना लिखो. गिव जॉब ID and give email ID, your personal email ID. Just do this and don't send your resume. Just give your ID, means job ID and email ID. That's it. So I already told you 4 biggest mass hiring which is absolutely for freshers. So please apply as soon as possible. Do hit the apply button. But before applying, update your resume and subscribe our channel. Join WhatsApp and Telegram also. Please watch this video if you not watched. So please as soon as possible apply करो इनके लिए. Thanks for watching.